Hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashok from India. Today, I am going to share my speech about the person Sophia Weng. She is one of the contestants of America's very popular reality television show Jeopardy. People can watch her performance in Jeopardy show on January 2, 2024. She is living in Chevy Chase, which is located in Maryland. To be noticed, this is the second time she participates in Jeopardy show. She is studying senior social studies major at reputed university named as Harvard University. She is a vice president at Harvard Undergraduate Women in Foreign Policy, and she studied in a school named as Montgomery Blair High School. In Jeopardy show, she going to compete with two persons. They are Sharon Bishop and Michael Cavaliere. Best of luck to Sophia Madam for earning more cash prize from Jeopardy game show. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please click the subscribe button if you want to get latest Jeopardy updates.